Good afternoon, everyone. It's June 2nd, 2019. It is 5:50. Alright, we're going to try this. YouTube's been having problems in my area, the East Coast area, Virginia Beach area. Alright, here we go. There was a 4.9 Tonga Island at 6 miles in depth. A 4.0 Oaxaca, Mexico at 41.6 miles in depth. A 3.2 Romania at 6.7 miles in depth. A 2.2 Western Australia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.1 the coast of Peru at 75 miles in depth. A 3.7 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.8 Albania at 0 miles in depth. A 4.2 Veracruz, Mexico at 78.9 miles in depth. A 2.0 Nevada, 14 miles southeast of Hawthorne. That came in at 3.7 miles in depth. A 4.3 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Mindanao Islands, Philippines at 37.9 miles in depth. A 2.4 Central California, 11 miles northwest of West Bishop at 7.4 miles in depth. Now, this is the only one that came in. USGS, EMSC totally ignored it, but they only put earthquakes up when it happens. There was a 4.0 China at 7.5 miles in depth. I have the link there. Check it out for yourself. I don't know why EMSC and USGS ignore it. There was a 4.5 Mindanao Islands, Philippines at 26 miles in depth. A 2.1 San Francisco Bay Area, 4 miles east of Oakland at 3.1 miles in depth. A 4.7 Western Chile Rise at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.1 Nevada, 12 miles east of Hawthorne again, and that was at 1.8 miles in depth. And a 3.8 Costa Rica at 68 miles in depth. I'm going to try and get the rest of these on here. A 3.4 Southern California, 4 miles east of Navo, and that came in at NUEVO, and that came in at 7 miles in depth. Then there was a 2.7, same locations, Southern California at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 Carrel Island at 112 miles in depth. A 4.6 near the coast of central Chile at 6 miles in depth. A 3.0 Costa Rica at 6 miles in depth, and a 4.2 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. That's what we have, guys. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video goes through. You guys have a great evening.